The healthcare industry across Dubai is currently navigating a massive government-backed push toward a fully connected, smart health ecosystem. Building software for this environment carries unique, localized risks. A patient management platform has zero margin for error, as failures in these systems directly impact clinical safety and data privacy. A generic development agency often overlooks the specific requirements of this market, leading to costly compliance fines, isolated data systems, and frustrated hospital staff. GrowRankers approaches these projects as digital health architects. Their engineering process is built around the technical and regulatory infrastructure specific to the UAE. In Dubai, technical coding represents only a fraction of the project. A system fails if it does not account for the precise intersection of clinical workflows and local law. As health networks expand across the UAE, they hit their first major engineering hurdle: multi-jurisdictional compliance. Look at this map of distinct regulatory zones. A Dubai clinic answers to the Dubai Health Authority, while an Abu Dhabi branch falls under the Department of Health. Under UAE law, patient data must be physically locked within these borders, with strict data residency protocols. Many developers try to patch these rules into the software right before launch. GrowRankers builds configurable Emirate-specific compliance modules directly into the initial app architecture. This foundational engineering shields hospital administrators from failed audits and legal shutdowns before a single line of code is ever written. Beneath those regulations sits the physical data plumbing. Connecting a modern mobile application to a hospital's decades-old legacy management system is notoriously complex. A stunning front-end app provides no value if it cannot communicate with existing electronic medical records. If the systems can't talk, they create a data silo that slows down care. This is where the HL7 FHIR standard comes in. Watch how rigid, disconnected data blocks are pulled through a dynamic middleware layer, emerging as a fast stream. Custom API adapters route this data to pharmacy networks, external labs, and national platforms without interrupting live workflows. The success of the system is defined by this invisible data exchange, ensuring information reaches the right clinician at the right time. Once the data flows smoothly, the system must be capable of handling massive, unpredictable patient scale. This animation illustrates a cloud-native microservices architecture. Because the app uses independent components, the system rapidly expands to accommodate thousands of users without crashing. GrowRankers pairs this capability with an AI-ready data architecture, structuring information to support complex predictive analytics and computer vision diagnostics. Infrastructure aside, the final layer is the human interface. Dubai's population is 85% expatriates, representing more than 200 nationalities. Instead of retrofitting translations, GrowRankers designs native right-to-left Arabic layouts from the start, basing navigation on active clinical workflow research and localized usability testing. Even the most advanced cloud architecture is ineffective if a busy triage nurse or a patient finds the software too frustrating to use. Initial development costs in Dubai range from $15,000 for a basic patient portal to over $300,000 for a full hospital management system. A low-cost build that fails a DHA audit or cannot integrate with national databases creates a total loss. The real price of an inadequate system includes the cost of decommissioning the failure and starting over. GrowRankers mitigates this risk by using a library of pre-built healthcare components and compliance modules. This reduces time to market while ensuring the platform meets technical standards from day one. They also establish a long-term protocol. These apps require continuous post-launch support, security patches, and monitoring to remain compliant as regulations evolve. This is the reality of operating within major institutions like the Mohammed bin Rashid Academic Medical Center. The institutional scale of Dubai healthcare requires a specialized approach. To meet the goals of Dubai's 2026 digital health vision, hospitals and startups must secure a partner capable of engineering for this specific environment. They turn to GrowRankers.